Hi and welcome to the next lesson, lesson 4, and this time we're going to be looking at the computer keyboard. So we're going to be looking at that, but let's just recap last time's lesson. And we looked at how to use a mouse to draw pictures, and you used your mouse, looked like something like this, which is used with a desktop computer, or you used a trackpad, which is across the bottom of that screen there, that is used on a laptop. And we looked at how to click and hold that left button on the mouse and move the mouse around to create an image or a picture, and then let go to stop. And we use Paint app to create that image. Now, a keyboard can be used to write words, and there's lots of different types of keyboards. And this keyboard I've got actually goes with a tablet, so everything can have a keyboard. And this one, as you can see, we have all the letters and we have numbers on there, and there's lots of other keys on there, lots of other buttons. We're not going to look at those, we're just looking at the letters and the numbers. Not all keyboards look the same, but they do the same thing. So you're going to look at now at how to use a keyboard to type words on the screen. And we're going to use that on our Paint app, carrying on using that. But first, there is an activity and a worksheet to go with. If you want to do this after, you can pause the video and do the activity, or you can do the activity after I've shown you everything to do. And what it is I've given you an image of a keyboard, and some of the keys are missing. And these keys are the letters and the numbers. And I want you to have a look at a keyboard and fill in the blanks. So find out where the numbers go and write them on the worksheet, or find out where the letters go and put them on the worksheet. Okay, so you'll need to have a look and find out that and fill that in. So what we're going to do today is we're going to look at how to use the text tool on Paint app. And again, I'll show you the screen here, and then we're going to go into the program and I'll show you how to do it on there. So last time we used the paintbrush tool, which is up here. And if you look just down below, the text tool has the letter T in the middle. Okay, T for text, which is why it's got that there. And what we do is when we click on that button, we're then going to use our mouse. Now remember, when it's a click and drag, drag means to move. So we're clicking with our left button and moving, dragging the mouse across to draw a shape. And this shape is different. It has got a dotted line all the way around because it's not really a box that we're creating, it's a text area. So we're going to be able to write in there. And when we've created it, you let go to create that text box, and then we can use our keyboard to type in a word, and we can type in hello or anything else. And then you're going to have a look at how to change the colour again, and this time the size of our writing. And that is here in those two yellow circles. Okay, so we're going to go and have a look at that. So on here, okay, is our, I'm going to clear the screen. Start again. Here we've got our text tool here. Okay, so we started off with that paintbrush here, which is what we used before, and then we've got the text tool here. And what we need to do, as you can see, is when I click on that, I now have a plus sign, and when I click and move, drag my mouse down and let go, I've now got a text area. You can see a flashing line here because it's waiting for me to write. So if I write hello, we have that right now appear within that box. Now if I change the size, which is here, okay, font size, and I'll change that to 48, I've got a bigger writing. And if I change the colour, I've got a different colour too. And I can change the colours around. And I can draw another text box and have different writing and type in that box a different word. So I've typed Mrs. Jones. Okay. And what I want you to do is to draw a picture of yourself and write your name underneath it. So we're using the mouse from last time where we drew a picture using the paint tool or the pencil tool and using it to draw a picture of ourselves. And then underneath we're using the text tool to actually write our name. And then I want you to remember how to save your work, because it's lovely to draw these things, but we want to save it so we can use it again. And up here we have our save icon. And when you click on that icon, you get a little pop-up that asks you to write a name of what we're going to save your file as. So we need to put your name in here, and then we can click save. Okay, so we're going to do that. So I'm going to click save, and here we go. If I put Mrs. Jones, take out Untitled, there we go, .png, and if I click save, that has now saved my work. So I'd like you to have a go at that, creating a picture of yourself and writing your name underneath. Have fun!